Hey everybody, today we're doing the cabin air filters on a 100 series Land Cruiser. This is a 2001 Land Cruiser and it did not come with the air filter slot from the factory, so I had to actually do the retrofit with the Lexus part to be able to get it to work and have cabin air filters. Some of the 100 series Land Cruisers did have the cabin air filters built in. This one did not, but we're using Denso air filters that are just as good as OEM Toyota. A lot of times these are actually used as the OEM part for Toyota. So go ahead and get started. First, we got to pull the glove box down, pull the handle here, and then we'll just push on the sides to free up these hooks. And we'll just swing it down. Don't need to take this thing off, but if you do, there's 2 bolts on the bottom, but we don't need to get to the air filter here. But before we can get to that latch, we have to take off this plastic piece here, and there's going to be 3 bolts. One back up here, one up here, one up here. I already have mine off. We're going to go ahead and just pull at it until it comes out. I have to push on the sides here to get it to free up around the lip here, and same on this side. And then we'll just make sure we're careful with that piece, like that. Now it's stuck in my finger. All right, get that out of the way. All right, so now we have access to this air filter door. Again, mine didn't come with this door. It was just a flat piece here, so I couldn't actually access where the air filter should go. But I bought the Lexus part, which is this face here, and replaced that a couple years ago, so now I can just change my air filters. But once we get in here, all we're gonna do is pull these 2 tabs here. So that one we release, this one we release, and then it just pops out of the slot here. We'll just be careful of the wiring up top. And you can see, just pops off like that. And now we have a door that can come off. Of course, this wiring tape is all gushy and gross. But now we have access to the filters, and we'll go ahead and pull them out. You can see I actually put one in upside down last time, whoops. But there are little tabs on here that allow them to come out. You can see much dirtier than our new ones. So that one's out. And there's a second one down here as well. We'll lift up and get that one out, like so. And now we'll just take our new ones with the tab facing up, put that in, let it drop down, like so. Take other new one, tab up, slide it in, just like that. And all we gotta do is put it back together with our tab here and the glove box back together. Simple as that. Thanks for watching.